Hey guys, Halloween is almost here, so I'm gonna do a weird look again. I want to do something glamorous, yet a little bit freaky. So I am gonna do an Indian bridal skull look. And I'm super excited about it because I'm gonna do all these jewelry and then a little bit of a freaky face. So yeah, let's just get started. I'm gonna start with the eyes. First I'm gonna take the Color Tattoo by Maybelline in Timeless Black, which is a really nice base. I'm not gonna make it too thick of a base. It just needs to be a little bit smoky and dark. Next, I'm taking a transition color. This is Latte by Makeup Geek, and I'm gonna put that into the crease. And then from this NARS palette, I'm gonna take this red color, and I'm gonna put that in the crease as well, because I want it to look a little bit weird and dramatic. Next, I'm gonna go in with a matte black eyeshadow. This is just a matte black from an old H&M palette, the Smoky Eyes palette. So yeah, I'm just gonna take that black and just apply that to the lid. So on that base that the Maybelline 24-hour tattoo stuff gave me. Then I'm gonna take some of that red again on a fluffy brush and blend out the edges of the black. Then I'm gonna take that light color of the palette and apply that underneath the brows. I'm just gonna curl the lashes and apply a little bit of mascara. Okay, next I'm just gonna do my face makeup as per usual. First, my foundation. For foundation, I'm using the Huda Beauty foundation in Gingerbread. Now this stuff is very, very high coverage and very thick. It's like concealer almost. Super thick. I like to blend in foundation with my finger. I find that gives it the best result. Next, I'm gonna go with the Pro Longwear Concealer by MAC in NC42. Now, this is a little bit light, but that's okay because you're supposed to look a little bit pale as a skull. You see? That is pretty light. I'm also bringing it onto the lips, applying it to the lips, because they should not have any color, as in pinkness. The paler the better. A little bit on the chin, and then whatever's left right on the cheekbones. Next, I'm taking some banana powder by Ben Nye. I'm gonna bake all of it to give it an extreme highlighted effect, or extreme, just a highlighted effect. Just gonna take a little wedge and just bake it on. So, okay, now that's baking, I'm just gonna apply some false lashes and be right back. So while I'm waiting for my lashes to get a little bit tacky, I'm just gonna wipe the bake off. Okay, now the lashes are drying, and I'm just gonna finish the lower lash line. First, I'm gonna apply the black. I'm also gonna go in with that with a little bit of that red. to give it a bit of a A red undertone. Then I'm taking a black kohl pencil. This is the Kohl and Contour by Bourjois. And I'm aligning the lower lash line, waterline, and the upper waterline. And I'm trying not to disturb my lashes. Then I'm applying mascara to the lower lash line. Next, I'm gonna do the dramatic skull thingies. First, I'm gonna apply a little bit of the red along my eyebrows. To create a bit of a dark line. This makes it all a bit more dramatic. Also gonna go over that with a little bit of black to make it a little less red and a little bit more black. I'm not really loving the red, so I'm just gonna take some contour powder and go over it. And I'm taking the contour powder along the nose. On the nose, I'm gonna create that hollow nose a skull usually has. I'm gonna go like this. So that's that. Then I'm taking that color tattoo by Maybelline again in black. Or what's it called? Magnetic black. Timeless black. And just gonna load that onto the brush. And wow. Color. Now I'm gonna create a line along the cheekbones. I'm just gonna do that with a black eyeshadow. I'm just gonna go on the cheekbone. So here's my cheekbone. Just creating a line. On the cheekbone going down. Doesn't have to be perfect. I'm also gonna go over it with eyeliner. Then I'm just gonna blend that line out a little bit. On the lower side, not on the upper side. And then taking that contour color to just fade it out a little bit. Then I'm taking an eyeliner pen. This one is by Maybelline, the Curvitude in black. I'm just gonna line that along that line. And I'm just gonna draw lines on the mouth, like for the teeth. Okay, so I'm also gonna contour a little bit underneath the jawline because I totally forgot about that. Because your jawline needs to be really sharp. Okay, so now that's done. I'm gonna put all the jewelry and everything on, and I'll be right back. next I'm gonna transform with a veil and everything, and I'll be right back. So yeah, this is my version of Meghan Markle's bridal makeup look. I really love it. I think